Alright, so what's up, guys? Welcome to another motorcycle vlogs. Um, I got home from work today and I had a couple of things in the mail that came in for the dirt bike. Let me show them to you. So, in my last video I went over about how I was doing some welding and kind of may have fried the rectifier regulator. This guy here. So that's kaput. It's no longer. So I got on eBay, and this little tiny guy right here is the replacement. That sucker, brand new. It was like $3. I don't know, $4 or $5, something like that. Shipped from China. Just had to wait a few weeks for it. So this one is a four-wire rectifier regulator, and I haven't tried to hook it up yet. I just got to find a new place for it. I don't want to. This is pretty much where the last one was, like this. So I don't know. I may put it there, but I want the wires to kind of line up here. So yeah, I'll find out a location for that and figure out how to hook it up. I mean, these things don't come with any wiring instructions or any indication on it as to what's what, so it's just kind of a wait and see. Wait, does it have any markings? There's a little number down in there, but nothing indicating what the wires are. So that'll be fun. And then part of making this thing street legal here in Washington State, it's required to have a horn on it. So this is, I believe this is a 100 decibel horn, also from China. It's got here exactly the same time. It wasn't from the same eBay seller, but could have been, I guess. Different names. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm still, actually next is building the wiring harness and electrical system. This is something I actually forgot to put in plan into my little electrical system that I showed you drawn out on the cardboard on the last video. I forgot to factor in this, but it shouldn't be that difficult. I'm actually probably just going to go off of, I don't know, I may run a separate wire for it, but I was thinking maybe I'd go off of the headlight wire since it'll be a constant source of power, and then just wire it up to the horn button on the controls. I didn't really show you guys these much. These were actually, well, it's just this side. These are controls off of I don't know, some sort of Suzuki bike, I think, that my brother actually found in the ditch. And the thing was stripped. There's parts laying everywhere, and he grabbed these up. He knew I was doing bike projects, so the high-low beam switch is busted. I'm going to try to actually just extract that. I don't need a high-low on here. And then fill it in with a blank or something. I don't know. But I mainly got it for the turn signal controls and the horn down here. There's a little rocker slider here for the choke, which I will not use. So, yeah, the grips. These grips actually came off of that bike too. This is the stock one for this dirt bike. Stock brake, stock throttle. It's all scratched up for where I laid it down. So yeah. So now we'll go into putting this stuff together. Alright. So check this out. Kind of messing around with my bike, planning the routes I'm going to take with the electrical wiring and stuff. And I find this little plug down on the side of the engine guard. I don't know why I pulled it out, and I'll show you. Let's see. Oh, I can't turn the light on. Anyways, looking right. It's so dark on the camera you can't really see, but I'm going to pull this off. It's just a little pipe right there. It's part of the engine guard. Oh, you can't see anything. There's this little rubber plug, and it's got a little Easter egg in there. I haven't pulled it out yet. I don't know what it is. It's some sort of piece of paper folded up, and it's got Chinese writing on it. So let's check that out. Try to do this, I don't know, somewhere in a better light. Should put the camera down somewhere. If I can do this with one hand. So, alright, so, I don't know if you can see this. Focus. Alright, let's see if it'll focus. Focus. Oh, whatever. I'm gonna pull this out. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. No idea. Smuggling drugs? The heck? It's like a number on it. Crazy, dude. Wonder if that's my serial number on the bike. This is a number they used on the assembly line to track it or something. Oh, this is hard to do with one hand. Curly little sucker. Ah. Alright, I'll put you down again. Oops. Whoa. What the heck is this? Oh my gosh. It looks like a piece of newspaper clipping or something. It's got all kinds of Chinese writing over it. It's got some regular numbers. I don't know if they have symbols for numbers. If there is Chinese symbols for numbers, or if I imagine there is. And it's got a website. I wonder where that goes to. A bunch of numbers down here. What the heck is this? I found this stuffed in my bike. That is so cool. Huh. If anybody out there can read that, I don't even know if that's the right way yet. I think it is. If anybody can read that, please tell me what it is. It is so weird. I don't think it actually has anything to do with the bike. I don't know. It looks like newspaper. It's so weird. I'm going to check out that website. See what it is. I wonder what else is stashed in here.